photosynthesis. So this is the most vital function performed by green parts of the plant body. So when the plants, particularly the green parts of the plant, when they perform this function, they produce the food materials which is a source for all the heterotrophic organisms which are surviving in this world. So that is this is a primary source of providing food to all the other living organisms which are depending upon the plants. So here the plants will perform this function by utilizing different sources, like they are absorbing or utilizing the energy from the solar sunlight, that is solar energy will be utilized and converted into the chemical form of energy, that is ATP molecule, and chlorophyll is the one which is responsible for trapping that solar energy. Then apart from that one, the substrates like carbon dioxide and water molecules are being used for this process to form a complex molecule called as carbohydrates. Apart from this one, they are releasing oxygen which is useful for purification of the environment. Likewise, many such important things are going on in the process of the photosynthesis. So here they will take up the energy of photons from the sunlight and utilizing that one for conversion of carbon dioxide and water into the glucose or carbohydrate molecules. So here what is a basic thing which is happening in this process? Actually here photosynthesis is a process where the photo means light and synthesis means a preparation. That is, by utilizing the light, the food matter will be synthesized, or assimilation is done by the green parts of the plant body. So here in this one, nearly 170 millions of 170 million tons of dry weight or dry matter in terms of carbon is produced by this process. So out of this the 90% of this process is done by the oceanic green living organisms. So here whatever the sunlight which is taken, they will utilize only 1% of the sunlight for performing all this function. So here the whatever incident light is there, which is incident on the earth or the surface of the living organisms or the earth, so it will be taken by the plants for performing the photosynthesis. So here in this process they are performing the they are preparing the food materials which is being provided to all the living organisms which are surviving on this earth. So here there are many such scientists are there who try to know what is the actual process or which part is concerned with the photosynthesis. In that they have taken variegated leaves where some parts will be green and some parts will be non-green in their nature, and these variegated leaves are kept in the or heated by using alcohol. After heating with the alcohol, they tested these variegated leaves with starch or tested for the presence of starch in them by utilizing iodine solution, where some parts, green parts were having this, the green parts are converted into blue and black color structures. The blue black color shows that that part produces or contains the starch. So likewise many such scientists are there in this. Let us take one of the example like Moll's half leaf experiment. So they have taken a potted plant, so here one of the leaf which have been destarched leaf have to be taken, and destarched means where the plant is kept in the dark for for some days, so that the plant cannot perform, the green parts cannot perform photosynthesis. So those leaves or the green parts does not have the starch in them. And they had taken a wide mouthed bottle, and in that wide mouthed bottle KOH soaked cotton will be taken, or KOH solution had to be taken. And here this is a apparatus which had to be kept for some time, and after that they will be removing all this apparatus and tested this part, because half of the leaf is inserted into the bottle which contains KOH solution, and half of the part of the leaf is exposed to the sunlight. And here after removing all this apparatus, they tested this leaf for the presence of starch. The part of the leaf which was present inside that bottle, so when it have been tested for starch, so this part is generally not converting into the blue and black color, and whereas only the exposed part, exposed portion of the leaf, so only this part was converted into blue black color by using tincture iodine. That is, it is a test for starch. So when this part is converted into blue or black color, that shows that this part contains the starch, and this part which is inserted into the bottle, that was not converted, that was not giving blue black color with the tincture iodine. So that shows that the inserted part does not have the starch. Why that part is not having starch means, because whatever the carbon dioxide which is present in this atmosphere have been absorbed by the KOH solution. That is, the KOH is making carbon dioxide not available to the leaf. That is the reason why this part is not able to synthesize the food materials. So this is the way how it shows that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis.